Hey guys, Matt here with Rangers Adventures, and I thought I'd do my EDC update for basically what I've been carrying all of 2015. So, start easy. Wallet. Um, that, it's just a basic wallet, black leather. Sorry, I realized I just did that out of frame. Okay, I carry that in my left front pocket. In my left rear pocket, I'm left-handed, so I carry my main. This is my work blade. It's a Spyderco Tenacious with a homemade paracord doodad on it. And also, in my back left pocket, carry a handkerchief. Back right pocket, another handkerchief. One is always for me. One is for, my wife, or if anybody else needs one, or first aid purposes. I know guys that carry, a whole first aid kit on them, and that's just not my style at the moment. Also, my right rear pocket is a Streamlight Stylus Pro. I had a red one for years, and I just lost it a couple months ago and got this black one. Black's the classic one, but I liked my shiny red one. My wife carries a silver, it's like a stainless steel polished one. Coming back around to my left front pocket, or my right front pocket, my keys, some Burt's Bees lip balm, and this is a Kershaw Emerson. Can't remember which model it is. Does it say? Doesn't say which one, but that is my kind of emergency fighting knife. I carry two knives. Yes, it's silly. It's just a carryover from my days in the police department, where I had a flashlight on each side, a knife on each side, stuff like that. Carry my Leatherman Wave and a spare magazine in a mag pouch made by Simply Rugged Holsters. It's a double mag pouch. It's the CID model. It's the double. Let me actually see if I can pull it off here. All my gun stuff is from Simply Rugged, and it's great, really rugged stuff. But I did get it back when I worked for them. So, disclaimer. So this is the double CID pouch. I carry this mag and my multi-tool in that. I carry my everyday carry pistol. Is a Smith & Wesson MP in 40, and I carry it in a Cuda model holster with inside the waist add-on straps, also from Simply Rugged Holsters. And actually, I worked there. This was a surplus holster that was too big for this, and that's why I got the double stitching. Normal models just have single stitching, but it is a great bomb-proof holster. I love that thing. And again, inside it I carry my Smith & Wesson M&P, and yeah, I can't get it out at the moment, but so you can still see it. That's my basic everyday carry. I've run that for all of 2015. Oh, and my belt, I got a good gun belt, also Simply Rugged. Look how thick that is. Here, I'll grab my chapstick. Grab my chapstick to show how thick it is in comparison. It is almost half the thickness of my chapstick. It is a belt that'll last, through war. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions. Sorry for the shaky cam. I just wanted to upload this quick and easy video. Um, and next time I will bust out the camera stand. Okay, guys, catch you later. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, wherever, depending on how you're watching this. Okay, thanks.